Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 cutting sawing machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, 180mm brushless electric circular saw. Specifications. Brand name, 1V. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Usage, home DIY. No load speed, 5,000 revolutions per minute. Application, wood saw. Wattage, 800 watts to 999 watts. Max. Cutting depth, 45mm. Weight, 3.1 kilograms. Plate diameter, 20mm. The item number 2 is Wasai 20 volts mount Serre brushless circular. Specifications. Brand name, Wasai. Power source, battery. Weight, 3.45 kilograms. Rated voltage, 20 volts. No load speed, 5,000 revolutions per minute. Application, wood saw. Blade diameter, 180mm. Max. Cutting depth, 64mm. Bevel, 0 to 45 degrees. Motor, brushless motor. Battery capacity, 3.0 Ah, 4.0 Ah. Charger adapter input, 100 to 240 volts. Charging time, 2 hours. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, WarPro 750 watts electric mini circular saw. Specifications. Brand name, WarPro. Power source, AC. Weight, 3.2. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Wattage, 500 watts to 799 watts. No load speed, 4,600 revolutions per minute. Rated input power, 750 watts. Model number, W125066A. Max. Cutting depth, 45mm. Blade diameter, 115mm/120mm. Color, gray/black/red. Blade hole diameter, 9.5mm. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.